Do you ever find yourself wondering if the woman you're interested in is thinking about you? Well, wonder no more because in this video, we're going to reveal the signs that show she's been thinking about you. Let's be real, guys. We've all experienced that anxious feeling of not knowing if we're on the mind of the person we like. But don't worry, we've got your back. Today, you'll finally learn the telltale signs that reveal you're at the top of her mind. Make sure to stay until the end because the signs will surprise you. Number 1. Her face lights up when she sees you. When a woman is genuinely excited to see you, it speaks volumes. She'll show it through a big smile, an enthusiastic greeting, or even actually telling you that she's happy to see you. These authentic reactions are hard to fake, so they're a reliable way to know how a woman truly feels. And what's even better is that this kind of excitement shows that being with you brings her joy. It means she values the time spent together and truly enjoys your company. It's a clear sign that she's emotionally invested in your interactions. When she demonstrates her excitement to see you, it's a big deal. Her enthusiasm is a clear sign of affection and interest, and it means she genuinely cares and is eager about your relationship. It also shows that she not only thinks of you, but also looks forward to and cherishes the time you spend together. Number 2. She makes plans for you to meet. When a woman takes the initiative to make plans, whether it's for casual meetups, dinner in town, or activities she thinks you'd both enjoy, it really says something about her intentions. It's a clear sign that she genuinely wants to spend time with you. This proactive approach goes beyond just being polite. It shows that she wants to create opportunities for interacting with you and connecting at a deeper level. By taking the lead, she's basically saying that your company matters to her and she wants to strengthen the bond you have. And it's clear that she highly appreciates your company as she's going the extra mile to invest time and effort for you to spend time together. This behavior often signifies a deeper level of affection and a longing for a more profound and meaningful connection with you. Number 3. She sends you messages out of the blue. You know she's thinking of you when she starts sending unsolicited messages. They could be anything from a funny meme to a random photo or just a casual question about how your day's working out for you. Even if the content seems insignificant, it's the thought that counts here. After all, it's her way of letting you know she's got you on her mind. These messages basically mean that not only is she thinking about you, but she also feels comfortable enough to be reaching out to you spontaneously. It also shows that she wants to keep in touch with you beyond specific situations or obligations. In simple terms, it's her way of saying that you're important to her and she wants you to be a part of her daily life. What's more, getting messages from her out of the blue is meaningful because it shows her interest and ease in talking to you. It shows that she values your connection and enjoys contacting you on her own. And here's another random thing she might be doing that's a sign that you're on her mind. Number 4. She gives you gifts without any particular reason. Getting gifts from her, especially ones that are tailored to your interests, can be a strong indication of how she feels about you. See, thoughtful gifts are her way of expressing that she's been thinking about you and that she's paying attention to what you like. After all, these gifts aren't just random. She carefully chooses them based on your conversations, your hobbies and interests, and even the small details you've mentioned. Whether it's a gadget that matches your hobbies, a book you've been wanting to read, or something that reminds her of you, these gifts show that she listens and values your preferences. The thought she puts into her gifts is a clear sign of affection and shows that you hold a special place in her thoughts. Giving thoughtful gifts is such a meaningful gesture. It really shows how much she cares about you and wants to deepen your connection. It's not just about the gift itself, but the thought and meaning behind it. This is proof that she pays attention to the little things that make you happy and that she's willing to go out of her way to bring joy to your life. It's such a sweet way for her to express her thoughts and appreciation for you, and it really nurtures and cherishes your relationship. Number 5. She regularly asks about your day. We mentioned this earlier, but let's give it a special spot on our list. Asking about your day may seem like a trivial question, but it holds a deeper significance in the realm of relationships. See, when a woman consistently asks about your day, it shows that she genuinely cares about your life. It goes beyond politeness and demonstrates her desire to be involved and supportive of you. By asking about your day, She wants to stay connected, understand your world better, and offer support or empathy when needed. It may seem like a small gesture, but its impact is immeasurable. It's proof that she truly values you and cherishes your presence in her life. Number 6. She asks about your long-term plans. When a woman shows interest in your future plans, it's more than just about her being curious. There's usually a deeper meaning behind her questions. Whether she asks about your travel dreams, career goals, or personal aspirations, it shows that she's curious about your life beyond the here and now. And, in turn, she's wondering how you fit into her future or imagines herself being a part of yours. Moreover, if she asks about the future you envision, it shows that she believes in the potential for your relationship to go beyond the present. This forward-thinking approach shows that she's really considering and investing in your relationship. It also means she wants to know where you're headed and maybe even align her plans with yours. In simple terms, it means she's thinking about a deeper, potentially long-term connection with you. It's her way of saying she doesn't just want to be a part of your present, but she also envisions a future together. Number 7. She shares books, songs, or movies that caught her attention. When a woman shares media with you, especially something that reminds her of you or that she thinks you'll enjoy, it's a subtle yet meaningful gesture. It shows that she associates certain things with you. Ultimately, she's letting you know she's thinking about you. This act of sharing also helps strengthen your connection, often sparking more conversation and shared experiences. It's her way of saying, "This made me think of you," or expressing her desire to create a deeper bond with you. Sharing songs, movies, or books is really meaningful because it shows that she's genuinely interested in discovering what you like and dislike. It's also a way for her to connect with you on a deeper level and create special memories together. This behavior often reflects an emotional attachment and her desire to build a strong bond. In conclusion, deciphering whether she's thinking about you just got easier. Look out for signs like her genuine excitement upon seeing you, making plans to meet, sending spontaneous messages, giving thoughtful gifts, asking about your day and long-term plans, and sharing media she thinks you'll enjoy. These gestures reveal her affection and investment in your relationship, showing that you hold a special place in her thoughts and future. Keep an eye out for these subtle yet meaningful signs, and you'll have a clearer understanding of where you stand in her mind and heart. Here are 2 more videos you may find interesting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos like this, subscribe to the channel